my second flight to Florida.
Your seatbelt should be worn more tight across your hips. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the muzzle until it clicks.
Everything just turns around. I get stung by your drum. Follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
It is 8 o'clock in the morning and it is 82 degrees. It is so freaking hot. And I am headed to go get my friend. My plane was in Terminal 3 and her plane is in Terminal 1. So I am walking, but I have time. Hey everyone, so I have made it to the Fort Lauderdale airport and I realized that I had never told anyone what I was doing. So I'm going on another cruise and I'm going on the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas. And if you notice, someone is missing. I did not bring Ariel this time. A friend of mine, it's her birthday this week, and so we plan to go on this cruise together with no kids. So this is actually the first ever time that I am traveling without Ariel. Can you believe it? I miss her so much. Ariel, if you're watching this, I miss you so much. But we're going to make the most of this and we're going to have fun. Oh, and one more thing. This is my friend's first ever cruise. So it's going to be pretty epic. It is about 8:30 and her flight lands at 8:45. So I'm just going to sit here and wait. All right. See you soon. Bye. So right now I'm just filling out some paperwork for Ariel because she has summer camp and unfortunately I didn't fill out the paperwork before I left, and trying to find somewhere for us to eat breakfast in this airport. We're in the Fort Lauderdale airport and it's not really big and there's not a lot of places to eat, and it is really early. It's, you know, just after 8 and we really can't start boarding until about 10:30. So we have a little bit of time to waste. The port is pretty close, so we can't really go to the port this early. So as soon as she comes out, we're going to, you know, sit, hang out, find something to eat. The other thing is, you guys won't believe what I did. I completely forgot all of my chargers, and I mean all of my chargers. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of all of my chargers sitting on my dining room table while I was on the airplane. I was so upset. So I can't find a charger for the Apple Watch. So my Apple Watch will probably be dead for the whole time. But I think I have chargers for pretty much everything else. We'll see. Kind of bummed about that. Not exactly sure how I did that. I'm usually really good about it.
I was so lost, like a vagabond with no home, moving on into the wilderness of my emptiness.
She just texted me. She just landed. Yay! I'm not sure if she wants to be on video. I'm not gonna have a choice.
Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
I didn't see you standing over there. I'm walking towards you. How are you here? I don't see you. Excited? I'm excited. I'm so excited.